Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and 2 switches. Without further ado, let's get started. I have prepared a topology for today's topic. I'm already done configuring the Mikrotik router and the first Mikrotik switch. This video is a continuation of the previous one that I uploaded. Please check the link in the description box below. Next, I will configure the other trunk port that connects to the second Mikrotik switch. Now, I will configure the second switch. I will create a bridge and assign all ports to that bridge. Then I will configure the VLAN port assignments, including the trunk port and the access ports. I am now done configuring the second Mikrotik switch. I will now test if the computer assigned to a specific VLAN can obtain an IP address. As you can see, the computer successfully obtains an IP address from the VLAN network. And that's it, everyone. This is how to configure VLANs on a Mikrotik router and 2 switches. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Bye for now, and have a nice day.